we've talked about startups. What other kinds of clients do you look for, and are there specific like ideal clients that you're aiming to win?
Okay. Broadly speaking, most of the clients we work with fall in either of the groups: technology companies that produce their own software and rely on us to improve it or to make customizations for their end clients, like for the professional services part of business.
Okay.
The other are actual businesses, non-IT companies that have an idea they want to be realized with technology. The third group would be startups and entrepreneurs. And the fourth group would be agencies, mostly web agencies, whose business is to be creative and to help their end clients with the brand, to create websites, mobile applications to help promote their brand. And so far, I believe we find it enjoyable working with all of the customers. So I wouldn't say we prefer some customer to another. In each group, you have your own challenges, and in each group, you have your own rewards, joys. It's very interesting to work with startups, especially when you're working with like HeadMelt takes so well.
Yeah.
And it's equally interesting to work with non-IT customers. Because, well, you see that you can bring them a lot of value with your advice.
Yeah.
And with web agencies, it's great to work because they would be local companies working with industry-leading brands. And I know the developers feel very energized and enthusiastic once they get to work on a website or mobile app for a really big company, like for a motor company, which they may even have a car. So.
Yeah, that's good. You can tell your parents or relatives about it too, and they'll have some idea of what you're working on then.
Yeah, especially when people don't get to understand very well what an IT person does. So that's a good way to tell.
That's right.